Welcome to Firefly Learning's Adobe Photoshop CS4 Video Learning Workshop. In this training, we will introduce you to one of the most powerful image editing tools on the market, Adobe Photoshop CS4. My name is Allison Terrell, and I will be your host for the next 24 chapters. I'm a photographer, a video artist, a producer, and a teacher. I've been using Photoshop for over 10 years. That's me on the right there with my husband in San Francisco. And what I'm able to do with Photoshop today is dramatically different than what I was able to do 10 years ago. It's exciting that the program has grown. Adobe Photoshop was designed by two brothers, Thomas and John Knoll, in 1987. Adobe released its first version in 1990. John was working at Industrial Light and Magic, which became the special effects division for the movie Star Wars. His brother Thomas was studying for his PhD in image processing. Who would have thought a simple collaboration between two brothers who wanted to edit photos would continue to be the most powerful, industry-standard image editing software on the market? So if you're new to Photoshop CS4 and you've never used this program ever, you will find that the possibilities are limitless. Say you wanted to make a blurb book for your family for a gift, and you wanted to scan in old photos. Well, Photoshop will allow you to do that as well as edit those photos. What if you need to design a business card or even a poster for an upcoming party? You can do that with Photoshop CS4. You can import images, you can paint, you can even use the text tool to write out your text. What if you're a business owner and you are launching a new series of products or services and you'd like to put images of those products and services on your website? You can use Adobe Photoshop CS4 to edit those images, optimize them, and upload them to your website. Speaking of websites, what if you have a photo blog like Flickr or Picasa and you need to edit photos so you can share them with your family? You can use Adobe Photoshop CS4 to do just that. Here's my photo blog on Flickr. What if you're an advanced user, say you're a 3D animator or a motion graphics designer, and you need to use Adobe Photoshop CS3 to edit a couple of frames for your motion reel? You can use Adobe Photoshop CS4 to do just that. We will be addressing a lot of these issues in this course. This course is structured for the beginner. If you're new to Adobe Photoshop CS4, then you've come to the right place. If you're not a beginner and you want to brush up on your layering or masking techniques, or if you want to explore the 3D and video capabilities which you've never used Photoshop CS4 for, then this is the right place for you. We'll take you through the basics and then we'll finish up with more advanced techniques, providing clear, straightforward, real-life examples. No one wants to spend the time learning a new software program that doesn't apply to their everyday life. So before you finish this training, you will have a solid understanding of how to edit, size, print, and upload your images, and we'll explore the video and 3D capabilities. Welcome to Firefly Learning's Adobe Photoshop CS4 Video Training Workshop. Prepare to take your images to a new and exciting level.